Hi guys, ito ang buhay na makulay. Magluluto tayo ng pang-filling empanada. Ayan guys, gagawa ko ng filling na empanada. Meron tayong ditong ground beef and pork, carrots and potato, onions and garlic. At may pasas po tayo, raisins. Ayan guys, get ready na tayo. Pinainit ko lang ang ating frying pan para makagawa tayo ng filling. Ayan guys, balikan ko kayo. Yan, saute natin ang garlic and onions guys. Ayan. See? Kita niyan guys. Yan, saute natin ang pork and beef. Ayan guys. Then, add the carrots and potato guys. Ayan. Lagyan na natin ang potato and carrots. Ayan guys, dinagay na natin ang potato, carrots, and the pasas, the raisins. Let them, ayan, pakulo. Ayan, pakuluan natin. Ayan guys, hanggang sa maluto yung patatas and carrots. Then, get ready for the fillings. And we're going to make of dough para sa empanada. Ayan guys, hintayin natin maluto. Ito naman guys, ang gagawin natin dough. Meron ako ditong flour, sugar, salt, pinch of salt, and ito, butter. Ayan guys, butter. And warm water. Ayan guys, gagawin nating filling. Okay guys, wait for a while. Ito na guys yung ating pang filling. Ayan. Ito naman yung dough. Gagawin na nating empanada. Ayan guys. See you later. Ayan guys. Gawin na natin. Ito na guys ang ating empanada. Lalagay na natin sa oven. Check it out. Ayan na ang ating finished product of empanada. Baked empanada lang po yan guys. Ayan ang ating empanada. Ayan guys. Homemade. Ayan na guys. Thank you for watching and let's try to eat, to taste it. Thank you.